Hi, today I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off Google Assistant on your POCO X6 Pro. So first of all, we're going to the first home screen to the Play Store, and we're going to check if we have the latest Google updates. We'll just go to the search. Here's Google and see. Uninstall or open, it means that I have the latest updates. So now we can continue, and we're going to the second home screen to the settings, and we're looking for Google. We're going down and it's right here, and we're clicking to all services, and here you can see search assistant and voice. Go in there and Google Assistant, and so we're going down to the general, and so right now I have Google Assistant on, so you see the blue color right here, and to turn it off I just need to press it. You will get the notification that Google Assistant will turn off. We're accepting it, and it means that Google Assistant is no longer available for us. And to turn it on, we just need to press the same button again. You will get the same notification that now you can use it. And we are clicking turn on, and the blue color appears, and it means that now you can use your Google Assistant. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.